How to color correct video in Filmmaker Pro. First of all, open the app on your device, then create a new project or open an existing one where you want to color correct the video. Next, tap on the video in the timeline to bring up the editing tools. Now look for the adjust option where you will find settings like brightness, contrast, saturation, exposure, temperature, tint, vignette, highlight, shadow, and many more. Move the sliders to balance the colors and make your video look more natural and professional. Adjusting these settings can help fix lighting issues, enhance skin tones, and make color pops. Don't forget to experiment with small adjustments to see how subtle changes can improve your video quality. After making the adjustments, preview the video to check if everything looks good. If you are satisfied with the results, save or export the video. Now you know how to color correct video in Filmmaker Pro. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more video editing tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.